Hello, students, and welcome back to class. I want to congratulate you all on all the hard work that you're doing. The assignments that you're turning in look great. Keep up the good work. In order to do the problems we're going to do today, you have to use a calculator, and we have to figure out a new button on your calculator. It's going to be a little tricky for those of you who are watching the videos on your phone and also trying to use your phone as a calculator. You might have to stop the video often, use your calculator, then go figure out how to start the video back up. It'll work best if you are watching the videos on your phone and you have an extra calculator, or if you can watch the videos on a laptop and then use your phone as a calculator. That'll keep you from having to go back and forth between the two. The problems that I want you to be able to do on your calculator are exponent problems. Now, we could do a problem like this one with just a regular old 4-function calculator. We would type in 1.005 times 1.005 times 1.005, and we'd multiply it times itself 12 times. That would take a long time. Sure would be nice if there was one button that could get us there. Trouble is, from calculator to calculator, the button can look a little bit different. Some calculators, the exponent button looks like this, or this. Some calculators have a caret as the exponent button. Your calculator might be completely different than any one of these. Let me give you some examples of calculators that I have here. Take a look at this one. If I wanted to take 5 to the second power, I would type in 5 and then find my exponent button. Here it is right here. See it? Y to the x. If I hit y to the x and then type in 2, it'll take 5 to the second power when I hit equals. 5 to the second power is 25. Here's a different kind of calculator. Again, I want to take 5 to the second power. Let's see if I can do it. My exponent button this time, look over here. See the caret? We'll take 5, hit the caret to the second power. Enter. And there's 25. If you're on an iPhone, like this one, turn it sideways so that you get the big calculator. And then your exponent button, at least on this one, is right here. See where it says x to the y power? So if I want to take 5 to the second power, I type in 5, hit that x to the y power, take it to the second power, and hit equals. Let's try a more complicated one. Let's try this 1.015 to the fourth power. 1.015 to the fourth power. Here's 1.045. Hit the x to the y to the fourth power. Wow, that's a mess. I'll have to round that off a little. Let's round that off. To 1.192519. This decimal would go on forever. Let me have you pause the video. Go find your calculator and try a few of these along with me. If you don't have a calculator and you're just using your cell phone and you have to turn it off, well, write this problem down, turn off the video, and see if you can get that answer. Let's practice a few of these. I'm going to try this one on my calculator that looks like this. Remember now, the exponent button that I want is this caret right here. That's what allowed me to get exponents on this calculator. So if I want 1.005 to the 12th power, and my button is this caret, well, I'll type in 1.005, then hit the caret, and raise it to the 12th power. Hit enter. And again, you get a very messy decimal. The decimal that I get is 1.061678. For the problems that we'll do later, we need a whole bunch of digits. The more of these digits that you show, the more accurate your final answer will be on the problems that we'll do later on. Let's try this one on this simple looking Texas Instrument calculator. Now on this one, my y to the x button, or my exponent button is right here. See where it says y to the x? Let's take 1.00666, 1.00666, and we'll take it to the 12th power. Here's my exponent button. I'll hit y to the x to the 12th power and equals 1.0829. 13. Got it. We'll do this last one on an iPhone. Remember, you have to turn it on its side to get the good phone, to get the good calculator. There it is. Let's see if we can get 1.03 to the 2nd power. I'll type in 1.03, and then my exponent button is here where it says x to the y. I'll hit that x to the y button, and then I'll take this to the 2nd power and hit equals 1.0609. All right, very nice. All right, go practice with your calculators, work a few problems, and then meet me back here.